Today I'm going to show you how to clear or delete your recent search history on X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few quick taps. If you've ever searched for something you want to remove, or you just want to clean up your search history for privacy, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. This is a simple process, but it's really useful if you want to keep your account a little more organized and private. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the X app on your phone and tap the search tab, which is the magnifying glass icon. This is where all of your search activity begins. Once you're on the search screen, tap inside the search bar at the top of the screen. As soon as you do that, you should see your recent searches appear below under the recent section. This is where X stores the terms you've recently looked up. Now, look to the right side of the recent header. You'll see a small clear all button, or in some versions, an X icon. Tap that to remove the entire recent search history list. X will then ask you to confirm that you want to delete the recent searches, so go ahead and tap clear to confirm, and that's it. Your recent search history on X has now been cleared. If you search for new topics later, they will start appearing again in the recent section, but for now, your old search history is gone. This is a quick and easy way to keep your search activity tidy and private, especially if you share your device or just want a fresh start. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.